Hello listeners, welcome you. I am V. Raghupati, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Now I am going to explain about data mining techniques. In data mining, there are many techniques are there. Now we can discuss one by one. In data mining is a process which organizing direct patterns in data for insights relevant to their business needs. It is essential for both business intelligence and data science. Now we can discuss about data mining techniques one by one. So first, data cleaning and preparation, tracking patterns, classification, association, outlier detection, clustering, regression, prediction, and a sequential pattern, decision trees, statistical techniques, visualization, neural networks, data warehousing, long-term memory processing, and machine learning and artificial intelligence. So there are 16 techniques are there. Now we can see one by one. The first one, data cleaning and preparation. In data mining, data cleaning and preparation is virtual part of data mining process. The raw data must be cleaned and formatted to be useful in different analytic methods. Data cleaning and preparation includes different elements of data modeling, the transformation, data migration, ETL, ELT, data integrations and data aggregation. So it is necessary step for understanding the basic features and attributes of data to determine its best use. And second one is tracking patterns. In tracking pattern involves identifying and monitoring trends or patterns in data to make intelligent inferences about data outcomes. For example, so there are a basis for taking action to capitalize on that insight. If it is determined that a certain product is selling more than others for the particular demographic, the tracking pattern is a fundamental data mining technique. And third one is a classification. In classification, in one's organization, identify the main characteristics of these data types. Organization can organize their classify related data. The classification data mining techniques involves analyzing the various attributes associated with different type of data. And fourth one, association. In association technique, a data mining technique is related to statistics. It is similar to notation of co-occurrence in machine learning, in which the likelihood of one data driven event indicated by the presence of another. And fifth one is outlier detection. So once organization find aberrations in their data, it becomes easier to understand why this anomaly happen and prepare for any future occurrences to best achieve business objectives. And sixth one, clustering. In clustering technique, it is analytic technique that relies on visual approaches to understanding data. Clustering mechanism uses graphics to show where the distribution of data is a relation onto different types of matrices. And seventh one is a regression technique. In regression techniques and you are useful for identifying the nature of the relationship between variables in data sets. Those relationships could be causal in some instances or just as simply correlated in others. And eighth technique, prediction. In prediction technique, a very powerful aspect of data mining that represents one of four branches of analytics. The first one, predictive analytics, use patterns found in current or historical data to extend them to the future. And ninth technique is sequential pattern. It is a particularly useful for data mining transactional data. In data mining technique, focus on uncovering a series of events that takes place in sequence. And 10th technique is decision trees. It is a technically to decision trees is a part of machine learning, but it is more popularly known as a white box machine learning technique because of this extremely straightforward nature. Decision trees are specific types of predictive model that lets organizations effectively mine data. The 11th one, statistical technique. In statistical techniques are core of most analytics involved in the data mining process. The different analytics model are based on statistical concept with output numerical values that are applicable to specific business objectives. 12th one, visualization. In visualization technique, they grant users insight into data based on sensory perception that people can see. The 13th one, neural networks. The neural networks is a specific type of machine learning model that is often used with the artificial intelligence and deep learning. Named after the fact of they have different layers which reassemble the way neurons work in the human brain. Neural networks are one of the more accurate machine learning models used today. And 14th one, data warehousing. The data warehousing is an important part of data mining process. Traditionally, data warehousing involved storing structured data in relational database management system, so it could be analyzed for business intelligence, reporting, and basic dashboarding capabilities. 50th one, long-term memory processing. So this is the historic data stored in data warehousing is useful for this purpose. Long-term memory processing refers to the ability to analyze data over extended periods of time. And last one, machine learning and artificial intelligence. This is the advanced forms of machine learning like deep learning after highly accurate predictions when working with the data at scale. Machine learning and artificial intelligence represent some of the most advanced development of data mining. Thank you.